Today we will discuss best Java YouTube tutorials which is available on YouTube for Java, Spring Boot, Microservices, AWS, Angular and all technology. So first of all, Techno Update is the best tutorials or interview questions related channels which will be provide all the interview questions and all. So here you can see all the interview type of questions will be available, real-time interview questions on all the IT company based on the Java, Spring Boot, Microservice, AWS, Angular and all. So in that we'll have interview questions and also interview test, which is like hackering test type of applications and all, which will provide a test. So here you can see like this one online test. So there will have a multiple test questions which will be provided by the IBM clips and all. So that will be there in this second channel, which I have like Durga software. So if you provide any type of knowledge you want to gain, in that cases you will be have this type of channels. Here we can see all the technology related overview in Durga Soft channel. So this is the second YouTube channels where you want to see all those things. Third, we have Eureka's YouTube channels. Here you can also see all the type of study materials and all will be there on. If you want, you can watch that. Third, we have others like code decode. If you want to go for the interview preparations and all, in that cases you can go for the code decode, which will be provide multiple things like to do the preparation of interview, any type of interview like Microservices, Spring Boot, Kafka, others and all. So like that you can see the all type of interview questions in the code decode. Others, we can go for the Java Techie. So Java Techie also one of the best channels. If you want any type of videos to watch, there you can see all the videos tutorials like related for JWT, React, Angular, AWS, Java 8 and all. So this is also best good channels which I have subscribed. And then Gaurav Sen, suppose if you want for this level of design like high level, low level design and all, so that Gaurav Sen has discussed all type of design based on the microservices, real-time design, Zomato, Flipkart, Amazon, Swiggy's and all. So you can go through that. Like they will mostly discuss of system design, algorithms, data structures and all. So this is also very good channel. Apart from this, we'll have a tech primer. Tech primer will go for all the technology overview, like what are the trending technology which is available in market and coming for that. So they will give some overview for this, all the things like right now ChatGPT is going on the market, like so that they have already mentioned the Spring Cloud gateways and others. So we have a multiple playlist has been created here, so you can watch and see these type of tech primers videos. And then we'll have a whatever I'm telling, that is a main YouTube channel like on top. So learn code with Durgesh, this is also very good channel, so that here you can learn any type of codings knowledge based on this type of technology which is mentioned, Angular, React and all. That will be provide Hindi also and English. If you want, you can watch this one. So many type of videos which is available by the Durgesh has been created. And others, simply learn, if you want to go, that is also based on Eureka like that. So that have provide a multiple tutorials and all. And then we'll go for this one is this one, this is sketches. Suppose if you want any type of real sketches and all you want, then directly you can ping subscribe this channel and ping her. They will create a same image for you or draw the image and provide you the post. By post they will provide this image. So they have created multi realistic images.
Think and Grow Rich, Alchemist, Deep Work, Miracle Morning, How to Win Friends and Influence People.
So see, this is the realistic image he is creating. If you want, you can go for the order and do that one. Apart from this, like, we have also some of the best channels, like if you want to go for this interview preparations and all, others will have drunken engineer, Java is our some Java interview. So these all are the interview preparation questions which will be provided. So this all the interview questions will be there in that, like that. So multiple interview questions is there just for this overview. And others will have a Asok IT, that is also very good channels for the YouTube. If you want to increase the knowledge of real time and all, then Asok IT will provide this type of tools, DevOps tools, AWS, others things they will provide. So it's and then you have a others channel which is Java Guide. Java Guide is also very good channel which will be providing you the multiple real-time scenarios. They will create a real-time scenarios and then create a develop the code of any type of technology. So he's also very good channel. Then you can subscribe if you want to learn more. And then we'll have a Selenium Express. Suppose if you want for the belongs from any testing, then we can go for the Selenium Express. There will have a testing related things will be there. Apart from this, we'll have a Java, others Spring Boot, Microservice, AWS also will provide. This is the Selenium automations. And then if you want to go for in 28-minute, also very good channel. Like if you want to increase all based of the technology knowledge, like overall what are the mostly they will create a cloud based things like DevOps, cloud, Kubernetes, Docker and all related. They have also all this playlist has been created for all the technology here. So that is also very good in 28-minute channel. And then if you want some audio or telephonic interview question preparations, then we have a Java Wale. So this Java Wale will have a multiple type of interview questions has been uploaded, telephonic interview questions. And then we have this like whatever the channels I'm telling, that is a very good channels. We also followed the same. So apart from this, we'll have some of the other channel also, like Java Techie, that also is related for interview preparations. If you want, you can see all type of interview also available here, Java Techie. And then one is a Galaxy technology, that is very good if you want to go for related for the DevOps, AWS cloud knowledge, then you can go for Galaxy technology, that is will be there somewhere. And there are multiple more channels which is there, like Java in use, how to do in Java, that channels you can subscribe so that you can grasp up the knowledge of latest things through the real-time scenarios. Also we have others channel that will be based on programming technique. So this will provide you this programming technique of what type of technique we will available to write the program knowledge or gain the programmings. and then we have also others channel interview dot that will be create a interview related things. If you want, you can increase the knowledge of multiple type of technology. Interview related questions will be there, and then gain Java knowledge is also very good. Technology related updations will be provided by this. So mostly we'll have a telephonic interview questions and some of the basic which will be uploaded here. And apart from this, there is some more channels which is good as per my understanding. AWS training center, if you want related for AWS, then you can go for AWS things. Here multiple services like RDS, IAM user, ELP, EC2, DevOps, CloudWatch and all will be there. That and then we have also like this channel that also will provide you very good understanding. Here multiple playlist on latest trending videos will be there. You can watch that videos like ORM, blockchain, machine learning and all. So that also will provide. Apart from this, we have some others also. Naveen automation, suppose if you any persons is looking for testing, they can also subscribe this. Others we have Java related also. Naveen automation is also very good channel where we can see multiple type of videos related for algorithm testing, automations, and Java related things will be there. And I'm Amir Pet, so that Amir Pet and Naresh Technology, that is belongs from the Hyderabad tutorials or training centers. There they are uploading the interview question, telephonic interview question in Amir Pet channel, and Naresh Technology will have a training center which will be uploaded all the real time training which they are providing there. So that type of technology they will update in this. Java in use is also very good channel which I already discussed you to that. So if you want real-time scenarios related for a Spring Boot, e-commerce, microservices, Docker, Kubernetes, Spring Cloud, Angular and all. So this is a very good, awesome channel. You can understand all those cloud, AWS, Spring Boot, microservices things in real-time scenarios. And then this one also I think look like would show that collections map and ASP servlet MVCs will be provided for this channel. And one is Galaxy Technology if you want. So Galaxy Technology is also belongs from Hyderabad training center I think. So there they will provide this type of things here. Multiple Azure, DevOps related things, AWS related things. So you can guess up here also very good channels. And then if you want real time, then you can go for this channel like this one, Java Techno Update. So that Techno Update will provide you the all the real time video interview questions, telephonic and latest things which will be there. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you guys. If you want, you can subscribe my channel to get latest updates and all. Yeah, thank you.